Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the fascinating history of the 1999 2 cent coin. At first glance, it may seem like a small and ordinary coin, but it actually represents one of the most important monetary changes in modern European history. This tiny coin is connected to the birth of the euro, a currency that transformed trade, travel, and everyday life for millions of people across Europe. Let's dive into the story behind the 1999 2 cent coin. The history of this coin begins with the creation of the euro. Before the euro existed, most European countries had their own currencies. Germany used a Deutsche Mark, France used a franc, Italy used a lira, Spain used a peseta, and many other nations had separate monetary systems. While this reflected each country's unique identity, it also created challenges for trade and travel. Businesses had to deal with exchange rates, and travelers often needed to convert money whenever they crossed a border. To make economic cooperation easier, European leaders began working toward a common currency. After years of planning and negotiations, the euro was officially introduced on January 1st, 1999. Initially, it was used for banking, financial markets, and electronic transactions. Physical euro coins and banknotes would not enter circulation until 2002, but many coins were already being minted with the date 1999. This makes the 1999 2 cent coin historically significant because it belongs to the very first generation of euro coinage. The 2 cent coin was designed as part of the new euro currency system. Its value is equal to 2/100 of €1. Although it is one of the smallest denominations, it played an important role in ensuring accurate pricing and smooth transactions during the transition to the euro. The coin is made from copper-plated steel, giving it its distinctive reddish color. It weighs approximately 3.06 grams and has a diameter of 18.75 millimeters. The edge is smooth with a groove, making it easy to recognize and distinguish from other coins. One of the most interesting features of euro coins is their two-sided design system. Every euro coin has a common European side and a national side. The common side was designed by Belgian artist Luc Luix. It displays a denomination, a map of Europe, and the 12 stars of the European Union. These stars symbolize unity, cooperation, and harmony among European nations. The national side differs depending on the country that issued the coin. Each participating nation selected its own design to represent its culture, history, or national identity. Some countries chose famous buildings. Others selected royal portraits, coats of arms, or national symbols. This unique approach allowed euro coins to promote European unity while preserving the individuality of each member nation. Producing the euro was one of the largest minting projects in history. Billions of coins were required before the public launch in 2002. National mints across Europe worked tirelessly to manufacture enough coin for daily use. Governments and financial institutions also prepared citizens for the change. Educational campaigns explained how the new currency would work. Starter kits containing euro coins were distributed, so people could become familiar with the new money before it officially entered circulation. When euro coins and banknotes were finally introduced on January 1st, 2002, the transition happened remarkably quickly. Within a short time, people across Europe were using euros for everyday purchases. The 1999 2 cent coin became a common sight in shops, markets, and cash registers throughout the Eurozone. The introduction of the euro had a major economic impact. A common currency made trade easier and reduced exchange rate risks. Travelers could move between participating countries without constantly exchanging money. Businesses benefited from lower transaction costs and greater financial stability. Although the 2 cent coin represents only a small monetary value, it played an important role in supporting this new economic system. Today, the 1999 2 cent coin is popular among coin collectors. Many collectors focus on early euro coins because they mark the beginning of a historic currency. Coins from 1999 are especially interesting because they represent the euro's first official year. Collectors often seek coins from different countries, comparing the various national designs. Some examples are more difficult to find due to lower mintages, while others are common and affordable. Condition is also important. Coins that remain in uncirculated condition are generally more desirable than heavily worn examples. Special proof coins in official mint sets are often prized by collectors because of their superior quality and presentation. Like many coins, some 1999 2 cent pieces were struck with minting errors. These may include off-center strikes, double strikes, die cracks, or plating defects. Error coins can be highly collectible because they are much rarer than standard issues. Another interesting aspect of the 2 coin is the ongoing debate about its usefulness. Some countries have introduced cash rounding systems that reduce the need for 1 and 2 cent coins in everyday transactions. Critics argue that producing these small coins can cost more than their face value. However, supporters believe that small coins help maintain accurate pricing and provide flexibility in cash payments. As a result, the 2 coin remains legal tender throughout the euro area. Beyond its practical use, the coin carries powerful symbolism. It represents cooperation among nations and the desire to create a stronger and more connected Europe. The euro became one of the world's most important currencies, and the 1999 2 coin stands as a reminder of the ambitious project that made it possible. For historians, the coin is a tangible piece of European integration. For collectors, it is an important part of modern numismatic history. And for everyday people, it serves as a small but meaningful connection to a major event that changed the financial landscape of Europe.